acrylic painting. So we will be doing it using the bubble wrap, and we need this material today. So this is the water bowl, brushes, rough cloth, and acrylic paints. Is ready with the material. So let's start the session. Okay. So take out your black color and canvas. If you don't have canvas, you can use the drawing sheet also. Okay. But avoid using the A4 printer paper. You can use drawing sheet or canvas. Both are okay. We will take the black color, black acrylic color, and we will take a brush. Okay, so take out your black acrylic color and apply it on the whole canvas. Okay, and then you just let it dry for 5 minutes. So just I'm taking the color and hope everybody is able to see it. So I just took the color and I added a little bit of water because it was quite thick. So you don't need to add water. If the consistency is okay, then it's fine. Just take the wet brush, okay? And then just apply it on the whole canvas. See, the water is more in my color, so that's why I'm not able to apply it. So I have to take more color and just very little. So water is not required. You can just apply the black color on this. Actually, this color is not proper. Okay. So I'll just take this and apply it. So be careful. This acrylic colors are permanent. So don't spoil your dresses, because once you will get the spot on your dress, it is difficult to clean the clothes. Okay. So be careful while doing the painting. Just apply the So you can use a bigger brush so that your coloring will become fast and smooth. Yes, poster color is okay, absolutely fine. You can use poster color. Yeah, so I'm just repeating for the people who have joined late. So I just took a canvas and I'm applying the black color on the canvas. So I'm making my base ready. Okay. So take the black color in the brush and apply it on the whole canvas and make your base ready. Poster color, if you are using, then you do it on the drawing sheet. Don't do it on the canvas. Okay. So now my base is ready and I will just wait for 5 minutes for this to dry. By the time I will cut the bubble wrap into a circle shape. Okay, so this is done. I'm just waiting for 5 minutes. Actually, the acrylic color dries up very fast. So if it is not drying, you can switch on your fan. Okay, so just giving the smooth look and take out the excess of acrylic color from the sheet. Just take out the excess color. Okay. Yeah. So the black color job is done. Keep it aside and let it dry for some time. So take a scissor, just let it dry, okay? And you have poster color. Can I do on A4 sheet? See, instead of A4 sheet, you can use drawing sheet. So you can do poster color on the drawing sheet, drawing paper. Yes, you can do that. So this is the bubble wrap, and I'm just going to cut it into the circle shape. So we have to make the flower with the bubble wrap. Yes, you can do better. So I'm just cutting it. So I folded it into 3 parts. So because I want 3 flowers, so I will just take 3 wraps. So 1, 2, and 1 more. Okay. So how much ever big flower you want, you can just cut it in that shape. So now I have 3 sheets of bubble wrap here. I cut it into the square. Now I'm going to cut it into the circle shape. Okay. Just make a circle, trim the edges. Trim the edges. I'm just doing it on the side so that it does not fall on my canvas. Or I should keep it aside for a minute. And I'll just cut the bubble wrap into the circle. Just take all the 3 layers off. Put them one on top of the other and cut it like this. See? Okay. So these 3 samples are ready. So now what we will do? We will take 3 different colors. See, if you don't have bubble wrap, I can't help you because I have told the material already. So you can use sponge or you can just try to draw flowers with the brush. So, okay. So this was my canvas and I need to check if it is dry or not. So it is still wet. So I will just wait for 1 more minute, 2 more minutes for this to dry. Okay. By the time I will take out the So this is what we are going to make today. So we have made our base ready. Now we need blue, yellow, and pink color. So if you don't have blue, yellow, and pink, you can use any other color. So you have to leave little space for the stem down, for which we require light green and dark green color for the stem of the flower. So you can make all 3 are equal size or 1 big and 2 small. That is also okay. So I will make the blue one first. So just let it dry. Let the canvas dry. Otherwise your flower will not come properly. So, and once the patch is done, then you have to apply the white spots with the help of earbuds, Q-tip we call it. Okay. Okay. So take out your blue, yellow and pink. So I will first check out my yellow. So where is the bubble wrap? So these are the 3 bubble wraps which I have cut it into the circle. Now I'm applying the yellow color on top of the bubble. Okay. Just apply yellow on top of the bubble. So I just took the yellow color and I'm applying it on the bubble wrap. Okay, so I'm placing it here down because I need to make the blue color flower on the top. So just press it so that we get the impression on the canvas. So yeah, so this is our flower. So if you want, you can just do it once again, but I think the black color was wet, so it came on the paper. So don't need to do anything else. So this is fine. So now you can take the clean your brush with the water and take blue color. Sorry, no, blue, pink color. Pink or red, both are okay. So I have red here, so I will just take red. Just need to clean my brush and water. Okay, so I'll just apply it once again. I'm using acrylic color. You do whatever you want. I have told the material already to you guys. Okay. So this is the acrylic painting. You use whatever color is available with you. You can do everything with the, you can use watercolor and poster color on the drawing sheet. That will work. So I'm using acrylic color on the canvas. So watercolor and poster color will not work on canvas. I have applied the red color on the bubble wrap, and now I'm just making a impression of the another flower which is very close to the yellow. So just press it and lift it carefully. Okay. So if your impression has not come properly, then you can just apply it once more. To make it little dark. So just once more. So I just made another impression. So now I'm going to take the third cutting of my this bubble wrap. And I'm going to take the blue color. So clean your brush with water and take the blue color. So if you don't have sky blue, see, I also don't have sky blue. So I'm just adding white color in this so that it becomes little light. So I have added the white color in the blue to make it light. So it became too light. So I'm just adding a little more blue to get the right consistency. Okay, so now apply this on the third bubble wrap and let's quickly try to complete it. And now I'm just making an impression and overlapping it on top of red and yellow from the corners. So just press it and you will get a nice impression. We have to apply the color properly to get the proper impression. If you're not getting, then you can just apply the color, one more layer of the color. So that you get a good impression of the flower. Okay, so I'm just applying a little more again so that it becomes dark. Yeah, so this is fine. Now you have to take your white color and you have to use the earbuds. So this is the earbuds I'm taking. So you can take 3 or 4 or 2 maybe, and just you can put a rubber band on top of it. Okay, like this. Okay, just apply the rubber band on the earbuds and take out the, I took 4. Okay. So now just take the white color in your plate. So take out the white color in your plate and dip your earbuds into that. I hope everybody is able to see it. So you have to just take 4 and put a rubber band and just dab on top of the flower like this. See? So these are all the texturing tool. We use these tools to give the texture. So I'm just taking some more of white and I'm applying it on the blue. Okay. So this was the flower, and now from the other side, don't use the same side because we have got the blue color here. So from the opposite side, you can take the white color again and apply it on the yellow like this. So I just took out some more of white and I'm going to apply it on the yellow. So just give nice impressions. So once it is done, it looks beautiful. Okay. So this was the white, and now you can take another 2 or you can just clean it. Okay, just clean your earbuds. And now take the white again and apply it on the upper portion of the red flower like this. So I hope everybody has got the idea. Okay, so our painting is almost complete. So I am just going to make the stem. So these impressions are ready, and now I will make the stem with the green color. So take another brush, small brush you should take. And take the light green color. Can you be slower? Better, session is over. You should join on time. Okay. So we have another session at 3 o'clock. So I'm just completing it. So I hope you have understood the procedure. So we will, video will be saved. You can see the session again, recording you can see. Okay. So I'm just making the stem now. Just make the stem with whatever color you have, because our base color is black, so we have to apply 2 coats to make it visible. Okay, so just add some more of stems. it's not compulsory to paint on the canvas. You can do the same thing on the drawing sheet also with watercolor or poster color, okay, or acrylic color. All are okay. Okay, so I'm just completing it. So I will add few more stamps and then we are done. So this was our drawing for the day, painting, and I hope everybody has liked the session. So just add few more stamps to it, and we are done for the session. And please submit your beautiful work. I would like to see your beautiful work on the Facebook. I'll share the link in the WhatsApp group. So people who have been joining the session, they know how to post their work. Okay, so this was our painting for the day. Thank you. So let's move on to the second session now. So just wait for this to dry. It will dry. So keep it separate so that it dries up. Okay, so I hope everybody is done. So I'm just waiting for 2 more minutes for you guys to complete. So please complete it.